Morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence definitions and the overall idea of the artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Before starting artificial intelligence, what is the intelligence? The IQ levels. If any problem is given to you, based on the problem, you need to solve the problem. That is called the intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? The communication between robot and humanoid is nothing but the artificial intelligence. So, how to define the AI in an appropriate manner? The study of how to make programs, computers do things that people do better. The study of how to make computers solve problems which require knowledge and intelligence. So, you need a better understanding of the problem, any type of the problem solving, searching, or heuristic methods. There are different types of techniques are there. Based on each and every technique you need to enhance it. The exciting new effort to make computers think machines with minds. Automation of activities that we associate with human thinking, decision making, learning. What do you mean by decision making? How to define the decision making? Suppose any problem is given to somebody else or something else, you need to maintain the decision making. Suppose if you take myself, my decision making is very complicated in the sense, not complicated exactly, very difficult. I cannot take the decision very easily. I will depend on somebody else. So learning. So any type of problem or any type of program or any type of implementation, you need to learn it and then only you can extend it. That is called the one type of technique is nothing but AI definitions. Thinking machines are machine intelligence. Whatever the information you are typing on the keyboard, all the information will be displayed on the monitor. So nothing else is there. You need to look into the different types of techniques, different types of problems. Art of creating machines of the perform functions that require intelligence and performed by people. So that is called the studying cognitive faculties. Accent faculty, distinct faculty, nothing but one type of cognitive faculty. The study of mental faculties through the use of computational models. You need to apply for so many computational models. Any type of game problem. So there are so many games are coming nowadays. PUBG game, Nazi game, TikTok toy. There are so many games are there. You need to enhance the game. So based on the technology, card games, card games. There are different types of techniques are there in the card games. A field of study that seeks to explain and evaluate intelligent behavior in terms of computational process. Computational process. You need to apply for the computational process. There are different types of problems are there. There are different types of games are there. Problem solving and use the computer science. Problem solving use the computer science. So artificial intelligence not only depends on the computer. So why don't you look into the mechanical engineering? Why don't you look into the electrical engineering? All the people will do according to the artificial intelligence techniques. The branch of computer science that is concerned with the automation of intelligent behavior. So, what is the automation? The branch of computer science is one type of automation. Automation. If you look at one of the technique, computer science and automation, you go to the any IISc Bangalore, particular course, computer science and automation in computer science department. So any type of people, not only the computer science people, this interdisciplinary program mainly meant for uh, computer science, and they will assign the courses to mechanical, they will assign the courses to electrical engineering, science, those who are capability in mathematics, those who are capability in statistics, those who are capability in biology, those who are capability in zoology. They can implement all the programs according to the different types of techniques which is there in the AI definitions. That is called the problem solving and computer science. So what is AI? AI is a field of study, computer science, cognitive science, psychology, philosophy, linguistics, neuroscience. Coming to the picture, computer science. So communication of robo and humanoids. Because if you want to play the game of chess, one side will pay the robo and one side will pay the humanoid. So there is a communication between robo and humanoid. You need to extend the terms in a particular aspects. So that is one of the chessboard. Next, cognitive science. Cognitive science is mainly focusing on different types of techniques what is there in the science programs. Mathematics, physics, chemistry. These are the different types of cognitive science. Psychology. What do you mean by psychology? What do you mean by psychology? The psychiatric problems are occurred based on the psychological theory, they will reduce the problem. Psychiatric problems are occurred based on the theory, they will reduce the problems. So you need to look into the different types of angles, psychological disorders, schizophrenia, one type of technique, what is there in the medicine. So that is one type of psychiatric problems. So mental condition is not good, you can go for the psychological doctors. They will reduce the problem, what is there in the particular aspects. Philosophy, tattvam. Philosophy is nothing but tattvam. A doctoral degree. Any type of program or any type of engineering, arts, science, medicine, you need to go for the philosophy, doctoral degree. Research is nothing but the philosophy. Based on any type of courses, you need to go for the philosophy. So that is called the doctor of dissertation, the doctor of thesis, doctor of philosophy, we can call it as a philosophy. Linguistics, especially mainly focusing on English language, computational linguistics are there. So if you go to the Stanford University or Harvard University, world number one and number two universities, number three universities, they are following the computational linguistics. So what capacity is there in the particular English language? So based on the GRE, based on the TOEFL, based on the IELTS, they will write the exam and they will get the seat in Stanford or Harvard or MIT. They will get the seat and they will look into the admission and they'll get the scholarship according to the knowledge. Next, neuroscience. Neuroscience is mainly focusing on neural networks. Every neuron is connected with one and each other, which we can call it as a neuroscience. And convolutional neural networks. Every neuron is connected with one and each other. Our brain, that is also one of the examples. Human brain is like computers, but they won't accept all the conditions. That is called the neuroscience. Here is a part of science, part of engineering. I told you some of the examples. Engineering comes from the engineering comes from the science, and technology comes from the engineering. AI often must study other domains not to implement systems. Example, medicine and medical practice for a medical diagnosis system, engineering and chemistry to monitor a chemical process plant. So if you look at the chemical engineering, there are so many chemical engineering plants are there. There are some companies are there. Reddy's Lab. Uh, there, there are some companies are there likewise. And why don't you look into the medical diagnostic system, engineering, and chemistry? There are applications of engineering. There are science programs. A is they believe that the brain is a form of biological computer and the mind is computational. Biological computer is nothing but our brain. That is the neural network. And the mind is a computational. Mind is a computational. AI had a concrete impact on society, but unlike other areas of CS, the impact is often felt only tangentially. That is, people are not aware that system X has AI. 12 years after the initial investment in the technology, what is intelligent? So, is there any holistic definition for intelligent? So, we have some ideas. Based on the ideas, we need to talk about this. So, there are so many things we need to discuss more elaborately. If the time permits, I will explain all those things. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda.